Mira, for me, we didn't have any family here. But it felt like we had a real family here tonight. So thank you very, very much.
Ulit-ulit na ako kanina. Mag-Tagalog na lang ako. Thank you so much for tonight.
Tagalog.
Wala na tuloy ko. Uwi na tayo? Thank you so much sa pagpunta dito kahit medyo tayo sa time, pero andito pa rin kayo. Nag-witness sa pagmamahalan siya. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng hindi rin nagpunta. Kahit medyo may ko dito na talagang matagal na kaming magkaibigan, simula ako dito, pero hindi talaga siya nakapunta. So, syempre nalulungkot ako, pero okay lang, kahit kasi nandito naman kayo. So, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Mag-ingat tayo sa pag-uwi. You understand it?
Alright, so Mr. and Mrs. Pashos. Alright, Mr. and Mrs. Pashos, thank you so much for trusting us. Thank you for believing our talent and skills. And I hope you enjoyed tonight. Nag-enjoy naman po. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Congratulations once again. And once again to our guests here, maraming salamat po. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Once again, my name is Rachel, your party host for tonight. Thank you. Have a good night, everyone.